Hey, what are you doing today?
Nothing much. Just relaxing at home.
Nice. Do you have no homework?
I finished it early this morning.
Good job. I still have some left.
Haha, you can do it later.
What do you do in free time?
I play games or listen to music.
Cool. What kind of games?
Mostly football games and racing games.
Nice. I like puzzle games more.
Oh, those are fun too.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music a lot.
Same here. What kind of music?
I like pop and soft songs.
Me too. They make me feel happy.
Yes, I listen before I sleep.
Do you sing sometimes?
Only in my room.
Ha ha ha, same. I sing in the shower.
That's the best place to sing.
Yes, no one can hear us.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I watch one every weekend.
Cool. What kind of movies?
I like comedy and action movies.
Nice. I like cartoons and funny ones.
Cartoons are great when I feel tired.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, we go to the park sometimes.
That's fun. What do you do there?
We talk, eat snacks, and play football.
Sounds nice. I go with my cousin.
Oh, that must be fun too.
Do you like to travel with friends?
Yes, short trips are the best.
Where did you go last time?
We went to the zoo last month.
Oh, wow. Did you see lions?
Yes, they were big and loud.
I love animals. I want to visit too.
You should. It's really fun.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I take photos everywhere I go.
That's nice. Do you post them online?
Sometimes only my favorite ones.
I like photos of food the most.
Ha ha ha, same. Food always looks good.
What do you do on Sundays?
I wake up late and clean my room.
Same. Then I watch TV or read.
Do you read storybooks?
Yes, short stories or comics.
Nice. Reading is a good habit.
What time do you sleep on weekends?
Usually at 11 or 12.
That's late. You must feel sleepy.
Yes, but weekends feel too short.
Haha, true. I don't want them to end.
Yes, Monday always comes so fast.
Do you like your friends at school?
Yes, they make every day fun.
That's good. Friends make life better.
Yes, we laugh a lot together.
It's nice to have good friends.
Yes, friendship is really special.
Okay, I'll go now. It's dinner time.
All right, talk to you tomorrow.
Sure. Enjoy your dinner.
Thanks, you too. Have a good night.